This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a cookie jar in Minecraft. Start by placing a chest on the ground and surround it with your chosen decorative blocks to form a jar shape. Add a trapdoor or slab as a lid and attach item frames for cookie details. Feel free to customize colors and height to match your kitchen build while keeping the chest accessible for storage. Gather your materials before building to stay focused and creative. Use one chest as functional storage, then pick 8 to 12 decorative blocks that match your style to build the jar walls. Choose a trapdoor or slab to act as a lid and place 1 to 4 item frames for cookie accents. Optional banners or signs help the jar fit into kitchens or bakeries, making it feel lived in and charming. Hey friends, if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making easy Minecraft builds. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during marathon building sessions and has a leak-proof top that is great around redstone and carpets. Grab one from the description to stay refreshed while crafting. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Place the chest at the center of your layout and build a 1 to 2 block high ring around it as the base. Stack blocks upward to form the jar body, narrowing near the top to suggest curvature. Add a trapdoor or slab as the lid, attach item frames with cookies for detail, and tweak textures or colors until the jar matches your build aesthetic while remaining functional as storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.